Welcome back to this video. Whatever type of email you are using, whether you are using Yahoo Mail, Gmail, or Hotmail, Outlook, whatever type of email you are using, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see if your email has been compromised or your data has been breached or your information has been exposed across the internet to block hackers. Consider to watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how to know if your email has been compromised before that mail can got hacked. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So welcome back to this video. The tools we are going to use to check if our email has been compromised is Firefox Mozilla browser, just like what you see on the screen right here. Firefox Mozilla browser has an inbuilt security that allow you to check if your mail has been compromised, or at least you can check about 5 different emails on this particular security enhancement inbuilt with Firefox, and it is a free to use. So let's see. Whoa. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Firefox. Having opened up your Firefox, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there, click on this 3 slider. Then this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and click on settings, and it's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to go to more from Mozilla, and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here, Mozilla Monitor. So get alert when your data has been in a breach. So what you need to do is to simply click on Get Monitor. So when you click on Get Monitor, it's going to load up asking you to enter first email. When you enter the first email, enter the password to that particular account, then log in. Once you log in, you will present with a statistics right here, show you that some of the area where your email has been compromised. But if you do not have any issue with your email address, this is what you get: no exposed found. So you can simply scroll down. So if there is any issue, you will check, you will get the company that have your data that has been found and the status of your data. What you need to do is to simply come to the top right here and click on Fix, and all the compromise, all the leak information will be erased from that particular mail. Then, like I said, you can add as many as possible, at least 5 emails to this particular account to check if your email has been compromised. And for you to add additional mail, what you need to do is to simply navigate to settings right here, click on settings, and it's going to take you right here. Then from here, click on add email address. Then right here, you have to enter a new email address. So I'm going to add my Outlook mail right here. So I'm going to simply enter the Outlook ID at outlook.com. Then having had the outlook.com or whatever type of mail, click on send verification link. And a verification link will be sent to this particular mail. What you need to do is to head over to the mail. I'm going to simply go to inbox right here. Then we have the verification from Mozilla Monitor right here. So I'm going to simply click on it. Then here we go. So verify email. I will simply click on verify email right here. So how do you want to open this particular stuff? I'm going to open it with Mozilla Firefox. Then I'll click on OK. Now you can see that the mail has been fully verified and appear in the 0 or no breach, which simply means that this mail here is been saved and no compromise at all. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to know if your email has been compromised and how to uncover the secret behind it in Mozilla Security Inbuilt Firefox. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.